Like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm just gonna show you how you can control your room lights and fans with any kind of IR remote just like this, or which are also known as TV remote. Like as you can see, I am clicking this button, this white button, and the light on the Arduino Uno is turning on and off. So let's see how you can make it. So for making this project you definitely need 4 things. So the first one, that is the Arduino Uno, which will work as the programming board of this project. And then you also need an IR sensor, which is also called IR remote sensor, and as you can see I already have connected 3 jumper wires with it. And then you also need this small LED, which is of 3.3 volts, so you can use any kind of LEDs, whether it is colorful or white, no problem. And then you also need this kind of IR remote, or you can also use TV remotes. Actually TV remotes are IR remotes, so you can use any kind of remotes here. So let's make it. At first, take your Arduino Uno and the IR sensor. So at first we will connect this IR sensor with the Arduino. So as you can see, there is 3 pins of this IR sensor, and the first pin, which is the purple pin, this is the output pin, and the middle one, which is the silver color pin, means the silver color wire, it is the ground pin, and the last one, white, it is the VCC pin where we can give 3.3 volts or 5 volts. So at first I will connect the purple, means the output pin, with digital pin 0. So as you can see, this one is the digital pin 0, RX 0. So I will connect the output with 0. And then the ground pin, which is the middle one, I am connecting the ground with ground. And at last, the white pin, which is the VCC pin, you can give here 3.3 volts, 5 volts, or you can connect it to voltage into. Okay, now the connection of the IR sensor is almost done. So only the thing left is the connection of the LED. So as you can see, in the LED there is 2 pins, one is plus and one is minus. So connect the plus with the digital pin 13 and minus with the ground. So now our circuit connection is almost all finished. So now it's time to upload the code. So let's go to our computer and upload the code for this project. So now if you guys see, I have already connected the Arduino Uno and all connections are same, but I have opened the IR sensor plus and minus, because the reason is when you will upload the code, it might give you some problems if you connect this IR sensor plus and minus, so it is better to open it up. And now as in the screen, as you can see, there's a much codes here, so no need to fear something about it. So at first I'm just gonna show you this one, INT IR pin equal to 0. So as you know, I've connected the output pin of the IR sensor with 0, it means digital pin 0, so this is the pin selection actually. So this one is 0, and then as you can see, there is LED 1 equal to 13, LED 2 equal to 12, means this is the LED 1 is connected to digital pin 13, and LED 2 to 12 means digital pin 12, and LED 3 to digital pin 11. So you can add many if you want. So then if you come at the lower section, okay, before saying about the lower section, upload this code, means the way it is, upload this once to the Arduino Uno, select the port and board. So my board and port is already selected, so we need to select this. I have uploaded it. Uploading. Okay, done uploading. So after uploading this code in your Arduino Uno, then open the serial monitor. Okay, I've already opened the serial monitor. So after opening the serial monitor, take your IR. Okay, sorry, let's connect the I have to connect the pins again. So this is the ground, it's the voltage pin. Okay, now I have connected the IR sensor again. So now take your IR remote or any kind of IR remote if you want. So let's code this with this button. So means if I press this button once, the light will turn on, and if I press the second, the light will turn off. So face the remote to the IR sensor and press this button. So when you will press this button, as you can see, some codes are coming, means some numbers are coming in the serial monitor. So there are 2 numbers, one is 89867 and another is FFFF. So which one is the correct code? This is the main thing, which one is the correct code that you will use. So if you press this for a long time, means if you press the button for long time, you can see FFF is coming, and if you press it once, 89867. So actually this one is the main code, 89867. So copy this code, Ctrl C, copy, and then come to the bottom of the means downside of the code, and if you see here, if result dot value equal to like this, means some things are written here. If result dot value equal to this, so remove this up to 0 into, as you can see, 0x, there is written 0x up to this. Cut all the things and then paste the number that we got from the serial monitor. So now as you can see, I have pasted this number, and now after pasting this number, upload the code again. Okay, let's open this pins first. Okay, now I'm uploading it again. Okay, our code is uploaded now, so let's test it now. So if according to the code, if I press this one, the light should turn on. So let's connect the pins again. Okay, now the pins are connected again. Let's put the Arduino. Now let's test it. So I'm pressing this button, and let's see if the light turns on or not. So okay, boom, it worked. So as you can see, when I press this button, the light turned on, and if I press it again, the light turns off, and on and off, on off, on off. You can do thousands of times, no problem. So that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any problem in making this kind of project, just ask me from the comment. So goodbye, see you in the next video.